Humberto Cárdenas, soy mecánico eléctrico aquí en el departamento de Fleet Management. Estamos en la instalación de este carro que va a ser para estar en el museo de departamento de policía con las luces tipo B, Vector, marca Vector, que esas fueron instaladas en 1998 y ahora instaladas en este carro. Es un Crown Victoria 2003. Las luces, la consola de las luces, el motor quedó original de agencia, sigue siendo el carro original, ¿verdad? Con el paquete de Polish Package que le llaman. La pintura es nueva, le pusieron llantas nuevas, copas nuevas, rines nuevos, los focos son nuevos, la parrilla, las calcamonías son de 1998. El tipo del departamento de policía que se usaba en aquellos años, que creo que ahorita todavía en Nueva York se sigue usando este tipo de patrullas.
My name is Luis Guerra. I'm the proud owner of this shop. I've been doing auto body and collision repair for over 30 years already. So the project that was proposed was to restore as much as possible 1989 LTD Crown Victoria, which is the choice of car that was used as a unit for Laredo PD. This was an actual unit. It was a unit that was used, and we had the task of removing the carpets, the whole doors were removed, the trims. These doors were a little bit different than any other door. On the outside, they are white, but on the back, they are supposed to be blue. So on the inside, you can see the actual color. Body work was done to the whole hood. It was taken down all the way to bare metal to assure that the paint sticks for the longest time. I hope it brings good memories to them. The idea is that it may look exactly the way it used to look.